The Meghalaya Department of Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs has rolled out Aadhaar Mission Mode Project MMP 2.0 alongside PM Ujjwala Yojana PMUY 3.0 to strengthen beneficiary verification and expand LPG access for poor households. The initiatives were launched in Shillong by Minister Methodist Dakar in the presence of senior officials from the state government, the Indian Oil Corporation Limited and the World Food Programme. Under Aadhaar MMP 2.0, the state aims to fast-track eKYC and Aadhaar seeding of all NFSA beneficiaries. The centre has fixed the 30th of April 2025 as the deadline for eKYC completion and June the 30th, 2025 for Aadhaar linkage, with the warning that delays may impact food grain allocations. Meghalaya currently has 21.45 lakh NFSA beneficiaries and 4.21 lakh ration cards, of which 8.2 lakh have completed eKYC. A mission mode drive through Smart PDS is underway to verify entries and weed out ineligible cases. PMUY 3.0 will facilitate free LPG connections to eligible BPL families through joint enrollment and outreach drives aligned with eKYC camps. The government is also strengthening PDS transparency through mandatory ePOS transactions, route optimization and vehicle tracking of PDS transport. Only automated ePOS sales will qualify for subsidy disbursement. A recent data review flagged 49,876 potentially eligible entries, which districts have been instructed to verify. Citizens may use Amira Ration, Anna Mitra and Anna Sahayata apps or contact number 1967 or 14445 or WhatsApp to number 940327737 for assistance. Minister Methodist Dakar said Meghalaya is committed to a transparent and accountable welfare delivery system driven by full Aadhaar-based authentication.
To put more effort to take this program of the central government and the state government to take it forward to the grassroots level, to the beneficiary. So we'll be needing your cooperation, we'll be needing your hand-holding and your dedication to provide the service to the people of our state. As we are aware that under the National Food Security Act, every eligible person in Meghalaya, he has the right to receive food grains on time and every month without any hurdles. And that is not the favor that the government is doing. It's not only the favor that the government is doing, but that is the right of every citizen of our country and the citizen of our state. And it is also the responsibility of each and every one of us to deliver the right of the people of our society. As the department, so I would again insist on each and every one of you, and again I would like to reiterate that our nation, the highest institution, the Supreme Court and the central government has already given us a guideline, has already given us the timeline that we need to fulfill those requirements, to the Aadhaar seeding, the eKYC linking, and we are well behind the schedule, and we are well behind the target that the government of India is giving, and behind the target that the Supreme Court is giving the timeline to each and every state. So again, I would request to each and every one of us to put this on a serious note and let us deliver. So I would like to say that maybe from today, From today, let us say that EPOS be our default and our discipline. When we record every transaction through EPOS, and we are not just using technology, we are ensuring honesty, fairness, and transparency. EKYC, to many of us, it sounded a very technical term, but it's about dignity. It ensures that no one else can take away what belongs to a poor family. It must be done for every beneficiary and repeated every 5 years. For children, Aadhaar must be captured at the age of 5 and their EKYC completed within 1 year. And if a card is flagged as disabled, let us verify it very quickly, because behind that card, maybe a mother is waiting with her child.